Okay, guys, we've crossed the first toll, and it's 15 kilometers. Still 10 hours to go. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. I forgot one thing actually. I did not change the seat height. I should make it 845. That is the higher side. That's more comfortable. Sorry, eyes are closed now. I hope there is no wind noise or anything. Sorry. Okay. Doors are closed. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. The average is showing 34.2. I don't know how accurate is that, but if it's correct, then it's great. By the way, I forgot to tell, I am heading to my home, which is in Maharashtra. My hometown is in Maharashtra. Here is Pune, 824. I'm not sure how much information I should share, but yeah. Yeah, so the reason I'm talking in English is because neither my Marathi nor my Hindi is very pure, and I would probably use a lot of foul words maybe, or and I know even that's not an issue, but I'm comfortable in English. Even my English is not that good because English is obviously my third language. But yeah, it's fine. And the other reason is I have a couple of South Indian friends, and now I'm living in Bangalore. So if I really do this thing and whatever I'm saying, and if those people cannot connect, then that's of no use. So yeah, so all in all, I thought English was a good thing, and I think I'll improve my English by doing this as well. I hope the road is not so crowded all the time. Other than that, Mumbai 980 kilometers. I think I'll have to cut a lot of bits in this video. And editing is something I'm going to do for the first time, especially for such a long video maybe. Should have written a script. Yeah, and please let me know, guys, whenever I do upload this. let me know your suggestions and whatever you feel. How is my voice? How's the angle of the camera? Because 90% of the things what I'm doing right now are for the first time, and I just went all on it. And as I said, there's no better day than today, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I mean, it's not that far, but still, I'm enjoying it, and I hope I keep on doing this. So, and also I'm not aware of this road, this route at all. I'm not aware. I only travel by train. Shit, pothole number one. I only travel by train, so I mean, yeah, when we have to travel to nearby areas, we do go by road in car, but on bike it's for the first time. So let's do a ride or a trip at the end of this month. By the time, let's get all the things. And trust me, even till yesterday, I was still shopping. I was still collecting everything. And I may have overplanned, but I want to avoid facing any kind of issues. So I wanted to be ready enough. Okay. Okay guys, I'll do one thing. I'll pause the video now and maybe start again once I've reached 75 kilometers or taken a break. Okay, thanks. Hello again. We are here at our first break, and as you guys can see, I went ahead and did a more few kilometers because I couldn't see anything to stop by. So we have completed 103 kilometers now, and we are at a restaurant called Kamdhenu. So far it's good. Still 513 kilometers. It's showing 8 hours 38 minutes. These 100 kilometers felt like nothing, honestly. Yeah, apart from that my butt is paining a bit. But yeah, apart from that's cool. I think I'll eat something and let the bike take some rest. I don't think so there's any issue till now. Hi guys, so the break is done. I took some time to charge my phone. It's 12:17 now. A lot of miles to cover, and this is all the gear I'm wearing, as you can see. And took break, washroom break done, had food, and mobile is charged. I have changed the battery of the camera, and I think we are good to go. There's nothing wrong as such. I cannot see any stones either. In the tires, everything feels good. I'm going to wear the gloves now. I did not wear them till now, but it's getting sunny. Hope to reach soon. Okay, let's go. This bag and this bag is not a good combination. Mistake number one. Because I wanted to put something on. I have the side bags as well, but I did not take them. That would have been a better option. These both are not really that comfortable. Yeah, so let's go. Okay. I did put the pro taper on this, but on the gear lever, but it will still scratch the shoes, so that's why I use a piece of cloth which does the job pretty well. Okay. Good. Most of the gear that I've bought is from Royal Enfield, whatever I'm wearing. The gloves, the jacket and the pants are from Royal Enfield. Bag, as you can see, this is Viterra. The backpack I am carrying is Himalayan backpack from Royal Enfield itself. The base layer is Rhinox. I think that is the best base layer. How to climb? Okay, let's climb this way. Okay. My god, still 8 hours. Okay, let's go. The road seems pretty good. I hope it continues to be the same. If I forget anything. Okay, let's go. What's the time? The time is 12:21. I will not stop, probably for another 1.5 hours at least. Let's try to cover as much as possible. I was pretty worried all the time someone might steal my bag. Thankfully, no one did. Why is it closed? Yeah, so yeah, I've had some dosa. It was good enough. So I'll not take a break now. I need to cover more distance. I'm very late. I mean, it's I'm just going my home, I know, but still, if I don't target some time, it will be extremely late. I don't want to reach late night or something. I want to reach in the evening. Just 1 second. Yeah, and another thing is that my parents don't know, my family doesn't know that I'm coming home. So that too on a bike. If I would have told my mom that I'm coming on bike, she would have herself came here in car to stop me. And I bought the bike in Bangalore. So my parents and my sister didn't see the bike yet. I mean, yeah, I send the pictures and all. I keep sending the pictures and all, but they haven't seen it in real. And also, I am a little bit of fed up riding this bike in too much traffic and with the helmet all the time. In our city, the helmet is not mandatory. I know safety is first, but yeah, sometimes it's nice.